The all-new Infiniti QX65 has a sporty, dynamic design, very sleek. That is unapologetically different from the others. QX65 has a very powerful front, unique grille expressions inspired by bamboo forest, iconic signature digital piano key headlight, slim, high-tech. Because of the high headlights positions, the face looks confident, very powerful. When you look at the side view, we created the dynamic arch, which is very sleek, upper cabin expression, very iconic. I was inspired by the Infiniti FX, but the one you can see for QX65 has much more sleek and fast expression, especially around the C pillar area. For QX65, it has much more flow, and that actually aligned with our new design expression, Artistry in motion. Along with a very unique rear combi lamp, we put the rear wiper underneath of the rear spoiler to realize very clean, pure appearance of the rear. So we have a new color, Sapphire Red, which is very unique, gold-coated glass flake. That is creating very distinctive appearance and contributing very unique, extraordinary character for the vehicle.
When you open the door and you come into the interior, first of all, the high contrast vermilion and black interior, very driver-centric, quite sporty. You feel in control of this big vehicle. Another part that I love very much about the interior is the way we handle the seat trims. So the quilting has been offset. It's a bit asymmetrical, and it's reflecting more the pattern of a kimono. There's holistically a place that is quite peaceful, but at the same time, it has an intensity and a deliberate sense of athletic and sporty DNA. When you open the hatch, this sense of uncompromise really comes to you. You open the hatch and you feel this immense storage. We're at a moment where the QX65 is really the embodiment of the momentum that we're currently experiencing. You'll really see the energy that we all have towards a very exciting tomorrow.